He's on the road and stuck there. So the main problem is where we're off canter, so he's just spin out like that, and then you take away any kind of traction that we would have had, and well, this is what happens. I think all the weight's in the back of the truck, not right there. Huh? So normally we would use a rope, but we don't have a rope here, and we're stuck on the road. So we are a Yankum affiliate. Dad always carries a chain in his truck though. So, being that we're on the road, we're using the chain. Well, I'm a little muddy and a little wet, but we're out.